Hey folks, how y'all doing today? I'm using my old Winchester Model 74 Winchester, and I got a squirrel right there at my sights. He's about 30 yards out. Hope y'all can hear me. It's a 1951 Model 71 Winchester. Long barrel, 24-inch. Tube fed, 22 long rifle. With a 4-power Bushnell fixed scope. 40 millimeter. Alright. Got the safety off. There we go. Zoom out, let him do his thing. It's a deadly little gun. I'm shooting standard velocity. 22 long rifle bullets. CCI ammo. Like I say, still 35 yards out. Got him. We'll go to the next one. Hold up. Y'all hang tight. We might see another one. Hard, tough shot to my left. Beautiful, beautiful morning. About 10 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna zoom out and see what I'm using. Turn around here and show you what I've got. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? I can move this camera over here a little bit. Shooting the Winchester Model 74 Winchester. Look how long that barrel is on that gun. 24 inches. It's the same gun they used in World War II for the French and the English underground. Used as a sniper rifle against Germany. And that, look at that gun. Nice rifle. You got the tube feed right there. Load the rounds. do it back right here. You pull that out, and you put your 22 rounds right here. Put 22 bullets right in there. But anyway, got 4 power, fixed Bushnell scope on there. Semi-automatic, holds like 15 rounds. Nice gun. And it's got a metal butt plate. It's tough. It's a 1951 model. They started making these rifles in 1938. It's a Model 74 Winchester. Made by Winchester. And old school. Let me tell you, and it shoots good. Trigger is just as smooth as breaks like glass from the factory. If you can get your hands on one, they're a great rifle. Hey, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can find me at on Facebook, or you can find me on Skype or Google Plus, KVUSMC, or Kenneth W. Vira Jr. or Velocity. Just don't call me late for dinner. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.